Hello, this is my Miro about angles. You'll see here that I made 4 columns, each having a blank clock in them with different angle types like acute angles, obtuse angles, straight angles, and right angles. Over here you'll see the directions of what I want my students to follow. The first would be to use this pen tool to draw in the arrows of the clock according to its corresponding angle. Next, students will have to drag these images into their correct spot according to the angles shown in each image. And lastly, I used this post-it note to create definitions for each angle, and they'd have to drag them to its correct term. I believe this is interactive because it's not just visually looking at information displayed on a page, but students are going to have to interact with this by drawing angles and bringing the definitions to the correct locations and placing the right examples under the correct term, showing that they understand fully the content of what I'm trying to get at.